Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be doing a reset in my guest bedroom. Now, the guest bedroom used to be in the beginning a wine room, and then I turned it into like a TV room. It used to have a cut opening leading from the family room into that room. But what I did was I got the wall closed back up so that I could turn it into a proper bedroom, because I needed more space for, like, you know, when someone comes and they need to spend the night and they don't want to go upstairs. So this is basically going to be a two-part video. The first one is going to be, I'm going to show you what I did with the closet. And then the second part is I'll show you what I did with the entire room, and also the little touches that I put in there for my guests. But the first part, the closet, I was using it sort of like storage, and so I had to get all of those things out of there and get it set up to properly have a guest in that room. So guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out, because I'm going to be basically resetting the entire house, especially the bathrooms. My style is modern cozy with a touch of glam. Okay, so that's my style. So we'll see what I come up with. So let me go ahead and stop talking, and let's go ahead and jump into the video. These are the 3 new closet systems that I purchased from Wayfair to put in my guest bedroom. I gotta put all of these together. Guest bedroom closet. So pay no attention to the guest bedroom yet. I will show you that when it's ready. But this is the closet. It's got 2 doors on it. 2 doors to the closet. And embarrassing enough, it is awful in here. Awful. I'm going to relocate this shelf to the playroom. These things are going in the linen closet up here. And these Christmas pillows are going to be vacuum bagged. I already bought the vacuum bags, which are, I got these jumbo bags right here from Amazon. And I'm going to vacuum those down and put those either in the attic or in the garage. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started, because I need to remove that whole shelf right there. Filming when I pulled these out of the wall. There were 3 of them, and it left 3 holes. So they came out the wall like this. 3 small holes that I'm going to fill, even though when I put in the closet system you would never see it, but I'll know about it, so I'll just go ahead and fill it. And I'm getting ready to take this whole piece off as well, and I'm going to fill those holes. So I'll be right back to show you. so now I have taken everything else off and should be able to move this out of here. All right. Okay, so now what I need to do is pull all these nails out before I try to pull it off the wall, because that way it won't leave a big hole. So I need to pull this out first, but I need to get a flathead screwdriver to be able to do that. So, once the nail comes out, you just basically pull it out like that. Okay, so sorry about the lighting, but this is what I'm going to be using with this Drydex heavyweight spackling for drywall repairs, and I've been using it a lot. I basically filled every single hole in this whole house over the holidays, and yeah, I'm gonna fill these holes too, even though, like, you'll see the new things I'm putting up, you won't be able to see these holes, but I would rather go ahead and fill them because just in case, like, if I ever move out of this house, the closet system is going with me. I am not leaving it. I will put the wire shelves right on back up and go on about my business. So because of that, I am going to fill these holes so that if or when the time comes, you know, I won't have to do it then. It'll already be done. So that's what I'm doing now. That's why I'm doing it now. Because you might say, well, when I start putting in the new stuff, like, why did you bother to fill the holes? Ain't nobody gonna see them. That's the reason. That is the reason why I'm doing it. That is the reason why I'm doing it. Sometimes it can require 2 coats. You know, depending on how big the hole is. I'm not gonna pretend like I know. I don't even know, like, if this is good enough or not. I have no earthly idea. I'm hoping so. I don't want to do a second coat, but you know, if I do, I do. I do, I do, I do, I do. You got me helpless. I love, one of my favorite Broadway plays is Hamilton. Well, one of them. My absolute favorite Broadway play is The Lion King. That is my favorite one. None will ever top that for me. I don't care what it is. I saw The Color Purple. That was pretty good too. But, yeah. Let me go wipe this out. Okay. All right, so that's it for that. I have taken it out. Now, I'm about to take a ginger shot, which is this. This one, like this. Okay. This one is by Sofresco Immunity. I get this from Publix. And I got to shake it up really good. But I got to take this because, let me put the camera back. I'm about to take this ginger shot because I'm trying to be on a, you know, not on a health kick, but try to do things better for my body. And this ginger is supposed to help with digestion. So, whew, it's very, very spicy. Gotta drink the whole thing at one time. Whew. Whew. There you go. Okay, now the plan is let this dry, and once it dries, I'll sand it. I might end up painting the inside of this closet. I don't know how long this is going to take, but I'm going to start assembling the closet systems. I have 3 of them that I got from Wayfair, and one of them has drawers in it. And the other 2 has hanging space at the top and the bottom. And they pretty much just slide in here. And then I'll attach it to the wall. So I need to remember where that stud was. I think it's this one and this one. Yeah, these 2. So anyway, I'm going to start assembling. And then I'll be back. Hey guys, this is the finished look of the closet and I absolutely love it. It is definitely giving me custom closet vibes. I absolutely love that. This is the hardware that I'm going to be using to attach it to the wall. The good thing about this is if you're a renter or if I move out of this house, I can actually take these units with me. And then I could reinstall the wire shelf that was there before. I absolutely love that part of it. I can just untether it from the wall and pack it up and leave. It's got a good bit of drawer space for a guest. And you'll get to see in the next video what I put in this closet for my guest. And also the final reveal of the guest bedroom reset. So definitely come back and check me out for that. And if anybody's interested in links to these closet systems, because you can do them separately, they don't come all 3 units together. You can buy 1 or 2 or 3 or whatever. They are not affiliate links, but I will go ahead and post it down below. I believe they range from about $125 up to maybe I think $135 or something like that. It's an affordable. To me, I think it's pretty affordable to get like a custom closet look. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video today, and I will see you in the next one.